everyone, welcome to my new video. I'm super excited to make this video because in today's video I'm going to cosplay a character from a game called Overwatch. This character is D.VA. I hope I pronounced it right. So I will cosplay the Hanbok New Year version. First thing, let me show you the costume. So this costume is from Cosplay Sky. It has two pieces. It's a Hanbok style. It also includes a lot of accessories, the hair accessories, and this one is to pin it on the Hanbok. So this one is the ribbon to tie the hair. Bag accessories, super adorable. The fabric is not thin, the quality is not bad. When I received it, it's got a lot of wrinkles, so you need to iron it before you put it on. The material is felt, so it also includes the tattoo. So that's the full costume. My makeup is pretty much the same. Let me put the costume on first. It should be like this way. Stitch this one, and then I will just sew this a little bit to here, not too much because I also need to tie the bow. This is about right. Okay. Then I will do the makeup. So right here, the center of the eye and the up cheeks, get a sponge. Oh, it's not sticking on my face. Not too bad. Let me remove the bands. It's in my way. I know why it is not easy, because I put the powder on my face and the powder is very silky. It's a little bit too far away from my nose. And then I'll put on wig. I don't like to wear wig because it gives me headache. I will fix the hairstyle later. My throat is still not clear. The wig is not quite right because the bands is not long enough and the side bands is not thick enough. A little back. Maybe it's a little bit too high. This is better. It needs to be lower, right? I like this style hair accessories because it's got things in the front. So right now I'm having a headache. This is why I don't like to wear a wig. It gives me headache. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video soon.